margin pledging of shares. Today we will discuss about how to pledge our shares for our getting margin. We all know from the year 2020 February, Zebu has mandated that collateral of stocks is no more invalid and only pledging is allowed. And moreover, upfront margin has to be collected from the clients before entering any transaction. So, in this case, we can use our idle stocks which is lying in our Demat account for margin purposes. This margin purposes it can be used without transferring the shares from our Demat account to the broker's account. So, without the movement of the shares, we are getting limits for it. How this is happening? Our shares in the Demat account is pledged to the clearing corporation through the broker's account so that the margin is getting released. Once we do not use the margin and we do not require the pledging of shares, we can repledge the shares, we can unpledge the shares and we can get back it. Because of this pledging of shares, we get all the benefits like dividend, bonus, rights, everything, because the shares are in our Demat account only. It is not moving anywhere. So, the procedure for this is outlined in the website. We can go there, we can click it and it will direct us to the NSDL site or CDSL site, and from there we will get our OTP, and once we confirm it, the pledging of the shares takes place. After pledging of the shares, our limits is given to us so that we can trade either in the cash market or in the futures market depending upon our requirement. The pledged shares can be used both for cash market purposes and derivative purposes. Once we do not require this, we can unpledge the shares ourselves by putting a mail to the concerned broker. It is very easy, very simple, and it is very cheap also. The cost is also very less, so that our idle stocks can be used as a margin for our requirements. Moreover, because of this pledging of shares, we are very safe because the shares are not transferred to any account and it is lying in our own account, and all the benefits are accrued to us, and hence we are very safe with the additional benefit of getting margin for the trading. Hence, we request all our clients to go to our website and find the ways to pledge the pledging of shares so that the idle shares can be used for margin purposes. This margin of shares is very safe and all the benefits are getting accrued to us. Hence, this pledging of shares, we can do it in a very simple way, we can unpledge it in a very simple way, everything can be done as our wish. So, please take the use of this facility and get margin for your trading requirements, and you can use it for all your trading purposes. Thank you very much.